Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a look at the top 3 ways of cleaning your Cricut or Silhouette mats and figure out which one works the best. So today we're taking our Cricut mats and we're heading into the kitchen. As you can see, this mat is pretty dirty. It's got some little pieces of paper, it has hair, and it even has some glitter on there. Let's start with method 1, using warm water and a cleaning brush. This is the method that Cricut recommends, and you just need to rub in small circular motions under lukewarm water. I've just sped up this part here, but let's take a look at what the end result is. Overall, I didn't love this way. As you can see, there's still lots of pieces of paper and just gunk stuck on the mat still. So let's move on to method 2, which is using Dawn Power Wash. So I have my Dawn Power Wash, and I'm just going to spray it all over the mat. I'm not going to let it sit too long, and then same as in method 1, I'm just going to take my brush and do small circles all around the mat. Overall, I found this method very easy to do. Let's just wash off all the bubbles and take a closer look at the mat. When we take a closer look, you can see that almost all the pieces of paper are gone, and the few that are remaining are easy just to spray and just scrub it one more time. The one negative, which is kind of hard to see on camera, is that it did leave a little bit of glitter still on the mat. When I sprayed it and scrubbed it a second time, I didn't really see much of a change. There was still a little bit of glitter still there. So now let's try method 3, using baby wipes. This is a pretty popular method in lots of different forums online, and I think it's mostly because you can keep wipes handy right beside your Cricut machine and use them whenever you need it. So for this method, you just grab some baby wipes and rub off everything that's stuck to your mat. While I was doing this, I found that you really had to hold on to your mat and scrub pretty hard to get everything off. This one definitely took a lot more work than the other 2 methods. Once I was done scrubbing, I just rinsed it under some lukewarm water, and let's take a look at the results. When we take a closer look, you can see there's still a little bit of paper buildup here, as well as a little bit of hair. I do not, however, see any more glitter, so that's great that the baby wipes could get that off. So to conclude, I didn't find that using just water and a brush worked very well, but I was pretty impressed with the Dawn Power Wash. It was easy to use, and it did get off almost everything off the mat. The cons are that it did leave a little bit of glitter left over, and I was a little concerned the first time I used it that my mat wasn't going to be as sticky afterwards, but once the mat dried completely, it was sticky and ready to use again. I was also pretty impressed with the baby wipes. The pros are that you can keep them beside your machine, and if you scrubbed hard enough, you could pretty much get anything off. The cons are that it took way longer than the Dawn Power Wash, and you had to scrub pretty hard to get your stuff off. Well, there you have it. 2 out of 3 methods left me with a sticky mat ready to use again. Overall, I would say if you've done a project that used lots of cardstock and has lots of pieces of paper stuck to your mat, the Dawn Power Wash is probably going to be the way that you want to go, because it's easy and it's pretty good at removing paper. If you cut some glitter cardstock, or if you have a lot of hair stuck to your mat, then baby wipes might be the better way to go for you. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.